watch the sun go down over the same old town, like so many times before. We look at the same old stars, battle the same old wars, like so many times before. And I know that we're not perfect, but I'm gonna miss all that we had. Yeah, I know that we're not perfect, but I need this night for the last time. Stay, stay. Know you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay, stay. Know you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. If you stay. Know you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay. We were never meant to last, but all the fun times we had, I'll never forget. We will always share a bond, no matter what, 'cause you have a piece of my heart. And I know that we're not perfect, but I'm gonna miss all that we had. Yeah, I know that we're not perfect, but I need this night for the last time. Stay, stay. Know you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay, stay. Know you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay, stay. If you stay, if you stay, if you stay. Know you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay. Till the sun goes up, yeah, for a little moment. Just hold me closer, I'll be okay. Till the sun goes up, yeah, for a little moment. Just hold me closer, I'll be okay. We watch the sun go down over the same old town. Stay, stay. Know you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay, stay. Know you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay, if you stay, if you stay, if you stay. Know you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay.
Like a light, lighting up in the dark. You make it right, I forgot how to act. It's so classic. Every time you make me nervous and I lose my words. It's been a while since I forgot the most simple words.
Hi. Hi. What do you want to do? You want to say hi? You look so pretty in your dress.
What's on them?
What is on it? Is it puppies? No. Kitties? Tacos? No. Is it ice cream cones? Yeah.
Popsicle.
And popsicles.
There's one too.
What about right here? Is that a popsicle?
Yeah, good.
Yeah.
Oh,
There's one right here.
I'll see.
See? Beautiful.
Mama, we want to go there.
We want to go over there. Say, go over there. Where? Say it louder.
Over there.
Over there?
Yeah.
Let's go over there.
Over there.
got all of our morning stuff done, workout done, cleanup done, beds made. What else?
Clean up.
Okay. We're celebrating Amelia's birthday this weekend. So we're gonna have walking tacos. So I'm gonna make the taco meat today, throw it in the freezer, and then we'll just take it to Grandpa and Grandma's frozen. Okay? And then put it in the crock pot. So I'm gonna do that now. We're home from conferences. Everybody ate supper. One kid's in the tub. Sophia's making tea. I'm gonna clean up the dishes and then you can dry them.
Dishes
No, I'm gonna wash the dishes and then you can dry them. So that will wrap up our day. We got a lot done. And thank you for watching.
Feeling so small, watch the clock ticking off the wall, but tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make